We're not all the same, and no two cities are the same. Nowadays, it's getting harder and harder to understand one size fits all. We want to have a choice, to feel that things and services are custom-made for us, made to make our everyday life easier, and also made as sustainably as possible, adapted to our pace, to our culture, to our lifestyle. There is a company that has over 100 years of history, understanding and applying this premise both to its designs and to its treatment with each administration, each operator. A company focused exclusively on transport and on mobility. A company that not only listens and takes action as a result, but that anticipates needs. Monitoring each piece of data, analyzing all valuable information, and attaining a safer, more comfortable transport service. Well prepared with an acute vision. This is our way of looking at global transport. This is our way of designing, developing, manufacturing, installing and integrating all the parts that make up an interconnected mobility system. We do it your way, adapting to your needs and preferences, making it sustainable, safe, and comfortable for the people and cities of the future all around the world. CAF is present in over 40 countries and offers the broadest range of mainline and urban vehicles on the market. From the fastest solutions such as SOLARIS, to mid and long-distance solutions such as Civity, bi-track locomotives, personalized INEO metros, more sustainable, versatile solutions such as Urbos tramways, and a new range of electric and hybrid city buses. 6 ways to reach your needs. But beyond this, CAF Group also provides solutions in engineering, infrastructure and civil works, signaling, electrification, other electromechanical systems, driver simulation and training, maintenance and refurbishment, components and depot equipment, finance services, and even operation. Because we aren't all the same, but we all like to know we made a good choice. Your way to future mobility.